Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be an Amazon set haul. I have 10 sets that I want to show you guys that I think that everybody needs. We don't need all 10, but you do need a couple of these because I just think sets are so effortless. These can be worn to any occasion. Like whenever you want to get dressed and not want to think about what you're putting on, I always throw on a set. 90% of my wardrobe is sets. Okay, I love a good set, and Amazon gonna do it every time when it comes down to affordability, versatility of those. They even, of course you guys know that they have like dressy sets for work, but the ones that I'm gonna be showing you guys today are gonna be like everyday running errands, going to the airport, dropping the kids off to school, comfortable, cute, and chic sets. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna try not to talk the whole time today, but I definitely want to make that you guys see all of the details of the sets. So grab you a coffee like I have today, or a water, or whatever your drink of choice would be, or just sit around and watch. I'll make sure that I pop up QR codes for you guys to shop my LTK. These will all be linked down below in the description box, either on my LTK and my Amazon storefront, because I cannot link on YouTube, Amazon just yet, but I want to make it easy for you guys to shop. So you can always scan this barcode if you're watching me on the big screen, hey girl, or if you are actually on your phone, mobile device watching me, scroll down to the description box and you can find all of those links on my LTK and my Amazon storefront. Without further ado, let me make this disclaimer now. My son is outside cutting grass. He cuts the neighborhood grass, so hopefully this mic will like muffle all that out. If not, y'all know what the weed eater is outside. I'm sure y'all have heard one before. All right, enough rambling. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first set we have is so cute, you guys. All the sets I'm going to be showing you definitely comes in different colors. These are just the colors that I chose, and the size is out on the Amazon link. You'll see that. I love this set. It has the wide leg pants, it has pockets, and the buttons are functional that go all the way down. I just paired these with my Adidas Sambas here because they're blue and white, of course. I love the detailing here, and then also the zipper does come all the way unzipped. So if you want to put a camisole underneath this, you can definitely do so and be quite comfortable with it. I love the pants. I'm in love with the pants. I'm in love with this set. This is super cute. It has a drawstring waistband, and I just paired it with these glasses are from Amazon as well. I love these. Have the yellow tint with the rectangular frame. This is so cute. And then I brought this little hat here because you can definitely, this will be a whole vibe too if you wanted to, well, let me just say this, style it like this with your hair pull back. There we go. I want to insert a little video of what it looks like with the hat, and I think it's so cute. Yeah, the first one, we're off to a very good start. We're off to a beautiful start. Oh, and I also just paired it with this little slouchy bag. I'll have all from my jewelry that I have on today to the shoes, how I styled each set. Even this little slouchy bag, this is from Shein, but last time I checked it was discontinued, but I found another one. Oh, it's a little hot. I found another one on Shein, so I'll have that linked. But yeah, here's the first little set. Let's go on to set number 2. All right, now we're on to the second Amazon set. Y'all, I love it. The material on this is beyond super duper soft. I love the fact that it has this wide neck all the way around that folds over. You have the freedom to where if you wanted to go all the way up with it like this, if it's really cold where you're at, you could do that. Super cute. I showed this set last fall. Y'all immediately sold it out. That video went viral. Y'all sold it out for this set. So I think I had it in a different or a lighter green or a bolder green last fall. So I ended up getting this darker green here. I love it. The pants are wide leg. It has this cute detailing too on the sleeve. My other one did not have that. So maybe that's a new addition they did this fall to it. And then I put it with these green and white. I think these are 9060 or 327s, New Balance. I've been having these for about 4 years. Love it. Green's my favorite color, and it goes with so many green items because, of course, again, it's my favorite color. Paired it with this 47 hat. You don't have to wear the hat, of course, but I wanted to style it head to toe, either with glasses, a bag, a purse. The purse of choice is the same neutral tote puffer bag that is like the Free People dupe from Amazon. I love this. My laptop can fit in this. This is what I use if I go to the coffee shop. I'm using this. This is my on-the-go puffer bag, and I love it. And it's super affordable. Of course, Amazon, because it doesn't get any better than that. So now let's move on to the third one now. All right, here's number 3. Here's number 3. Y'all, all of the ones that I'm showing you guys are cute because when I ordered them, I was like, yep, add to cart, immediately add to cart, add to cart. And I love the black and white because the black and white is giving like the Adidas vibes. I love how it meets here on the sides. It kind of gives like that illusion. This is so cute. And this material is super soft, just like the other one. The blue one was soft. Actually, all of these are soft, so they're easy to throw on and go. You can wear it all the way open with a sports bra if you wanted to, a camisole, or like for me, I have mine zipped up. Here's how the collar goes on it, so you can see that. It's so cute. Cute, 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 cute. I love it. I love it. The wide leg, the pants, paired it with this Christian Dior saddle bag. This was from DHgate, but I can no longer link DHgate, so I'll link the real one. But I also, yeah, I can't link it, but you can search it if you wanted to. But I love it. Quality is 10 out of 10. I love these little frames. These are the Elisa Johnson dupes from Amazon. They were like $10. These are super cute to wear indoor and out. Easy, effortless look. All from Amazon, girl. All from Amazon. And we love that. Now let's move on to the next one. This Amazon set, so cute. I love that it's white and black, but me, honestly, I get white dirty a little too fast. So I have to be somewhere where I know I'm not going to be well, because I get dirty even when I'm eating food. It's really cute though, but if you can keep yourself clean, unlike me, definitely get this set. I love the piping down the side and then across the top. I did get this in a large. It is super cute. Love it. 360 for you, so you can know how it looks. I just paired it with some Adidas Sambas. I am 5'5", and you can kind of see where they go. Just paired it with this little Dior saddle bag and then these little frames. Super cute. I love it. All right, now we are back and the camera's well rested, back at 100% and definitely cooled off. So I'm going to just talk about each outfit as I put the B-roll here. I am going to start off with the black, white, and red outfit. Oh, this set is so cute. It's adorable. I love that it has the pull-on pants to go with it. You can wear it tucked or you can wear it untucked. I love the red and white piping down the side. It has pockets. It is wide leg and it is super duper cute. This is not fleece, so it's definitely still breathable if it is still hot wherever you are at. The transitional piece that you can wear separate. Actually all the sets that I'm showing you guys, you can definitely wear them separate and be super cute and get multiple outfits out of one look. Sorry, my son is still cutting grass, so you will still hear that. The black and red, of course, does come in other colors, and I paired it. I think I had a hat. I didn't know. You could put the red hat with it, but I definitely put on the red purse to go along with it, and it's super cute. I love it, love it, love it. And I know that you will look just as cute in it as I look. All right, next up is this green set. I love this color green, this shade of green. I don't have another set in this shade. I think that's what sets this apart from all of my other sets. This one is fleece lined. So I was hot wearing it, but again, if you're cold wherever you're at, then this would work for you. This is outside of my comfort zone. I'm typically a wide leg type of girl, but I want to give you guys a different type of look because this is actually joggers. I mean, I wear them here and there, but you really won't catch me. You'll catch me in a wide leg any day, almost every day, whether it's jeans, trousers, sets, sweats, all of that. But I wanted to give you guys an option for joggers. The pants are pull on. Does it have, I don't know if it has, no, it does not. It does not have the drawstring, but it does pull on pretty easily, very easily. And I love how wide the neck is on that one. And it also unzips pretty low, so if you wanted to wear like a, you know, cute little undershirt or a lacy shirt underneath it, you could do that to show it off. Love it. Love the color. I love, love, love the color. It's beautiful and it screams like kind of spring fallish. You can kind of do both, and I think you can play up a brown with this color as well. I think brown and that color, that muted green, will look really, really good. So you can do brown accessories to go along with it, brown bag, brown shoes, brown hat, just so, you know, if you don't want to just go with a monochromatic look, you can definitely do brown and it will be top tier. Okay, so next up is this chocolate brown. Chocolate brown is in for the fall, y'all, and I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with this set. It looks so good. I love the neckline of it. You can definitely wear it off the shoulders if you wanted to, but it has so much give. I don't know what you call this. Is it cowl? Is it a cowl neckline? No, cowl is where it hangs. I don't know. I can't think of the name, but I know the name, but I can't think of the name of Sweetheart. I don't know, whatever it is. The set is cute, and I love how the back has the detailing. Let me show you guys real quick, because I don't know if I got a close-up of it on the camera, but the back of the pants have a cute little detailing that I love. The material is so soft. Almost all of these, except the green one. The green one is not a soft material because it's fleece line, but most of all of these are, if it's fleece line, it's really, you're not gonna get the soft material. This material that's not fleece line, it's like that scuba net material. It is just, it's amazing, and I love the brown. I paired it with the leopard purse. It's super duper cute to go together with the frames here that are orange frames. These are so cute. I love it. I love it. I had to pull my hair back for this set to show off the neckline. I just kept it back because girl, I'm sweating trying on all these clothes in here. But I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. That set comes in many colors. I got it in a size medium, and I love the fit. I can't wait to wear that. I cannot wait to wear it out. It's gonna be so cute, girl. Okay, moving right along to my absolute favorite. My favorite set out of the entire collection is this red and white set. I wore this in New York. The amount of times the amount of compliments I got, we went sightseeing all around New York and I wore that. I got so many compliments on that outfit, asking me where I got it from, and I was quick to say, Amazon, girl, Amazon. I love it. I wanted to do a separate reel just on this set because I did not post it on my Instagram or anywhere. I put on my LTK because everything is there. If you ever wonder where I'm at, if I don't show up on my stories or anywhere else, I'm gonna show up every day on LTK. LTK eats first, as they say. LTK gets all of my content first, so make sure to follow me there. And I always have a link down at the bottom of my description box, or if you want to click this box right here, scan this box, the QR code, you can easily shop. So the red and white set, it is wide leg. I love the back of it. I love the huge white piping detailing on the side. It has pockets in the jacket and it has pockets in the pants. I am 5'5", and I had a lot of space, and I had them pulled up all the way like to my belly button just because the pants were so long. So they are tall girl friendly. If you are taller than me, I think you will love this set. It is crop top, but again, I had my pants pulled up and even rolled down because they were so long on me. I need to get that altered. It does come in other colors. It comes in a green and a blue. I want it in every color, but I keep telling myself, Adrianne, you don't need every set in every color. However, that one is cute, and it's cute for it's cute and it's functional for the transition because it's thin. It is a thin, I'm not gonna say it's the best quality out there, but I think for the season that we're in, especially here in Louisiana, this set is perfect because it's easy to transition. It's thin and breathable. When I wore it in New York, I did not get hot, just so you guys can kind of see what it's like here. It's not see-through. The white part isn't see-through, but it's like the windbreaker material. And I forgot to show y'all, it does draw on the side, so if you wanted to crop it up, you could for it to stay. It's very, very, very versatile, and I love pairing it with this red bag because this red bag is the same material as that, like the windbreaker material. So I thought it was so cute. That is definitely my favorite set out of this whole haul. All right, moving on. I've already shared this set from Amazon. This is a two-piece, but it is sold separately, and I wanted to purposely put one of those sets in here because some people are proportioned differently, where they are a small in the top and a large in the bottom, so they can't get away with like a set that's just one size. I know some sets is a one size fits all, but I want to include this set here that's sold separately. It is fleece line quality. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I absolutely love this brand, and I love this color here because I've showed this set before on a reel in different colors. I didn't think that my audience got what I was putting down, because there's no way why this set is not sold out yet. I absolutely love it. And the top is cropped, but you can wear a shirt underneath it, so it's not cropped. You can easily put on a camisole if you wanted to do that. I love the cargo. It has pockets in the back, pockets on the side. It is wide legged. Just pair this with my Sambas. Really, really cute, easy throw on and go outfit. I'm in love. I'm in love. That's like why I'm showing this again, because maybe my audience on YouTube, maybe y'all get it, okay? Maybe y'all will get this set and sell it out like it deserves, because I don't think it got the attention that it needed. This is my number 2 set. Well, actually, dang, I like a lot of these. It's kind of hard to. I know the Red and White is for sure my favorite, but let's move on because I'm starting to ramble. All right, and last but not least is the set that I'm actually wearing to talk to you guys through the last part of this video. I'm tired of telling y'all I love them, but this set is a hoodie set. I like it because it's so girly with the pink bows on it. To me, it's not the breast cancer awareness bow. Well, you know what? Let me see. I don't think it is the breast cancer awareness bow, but it's a girly bow. So I feel like you can still get away with this year round. It has the bows on the back of the pants that are so cute. It has the good detailing. This is the same soft material as all of my other ones that are not fleece lined, so I think you'll feel comfortable with this. Will it keep you absolutely warm? Depends on the weather. If I'm inside or cool outside, I definitely wear this, but y'all know how to dress. If it's freezing outside, I would be reaching for fleece for sure. All right, let me look up and see if this is the breast cancer ribbon, because I don't think it is. But the pink is what makes me think that. No, it's not. So the breast cancer ribbon is like that. This is girly bows, but I'm just gonna call it the breast cancer. The breast cancer girly suit set. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It has the wide leg pants and also the pockets, pull on with the drawstring hoodie, and it's good material. I got this in a size medium and it actually fits a little oversized. I probably could have gone down to a small if you wanted a more fitted, fitted hoodie, then you could do that, but I think it's cute. And I paired it with these little cute pink Sambas. I love these. I got these in the spring. They go perfectly with this, so I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, you guys, that is it for all of my Amazon sets. I gave you 10 sets that you need this fall, okay? Do you need all 10 of them? No. Check your budget. I'm gonna always tell you, check your budget, okay? I don't wanna be resent. Anybody goes into debt. My job is to show you, your job is to make the decision, okay? I love these sets. Comment down below, let me know which one is your favorite. Would you be picking up any of these? And that's it. I think, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'm kind of lost for words, but yeah, girl, that's it. I'm sorry, I'm kind of all over the place. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel on your way out. Join the family and become a Ruby today. That's what I call my audience, the Rubies, but they named that themselves. But to become a Ruby today, all you have to do is subscribe and comment down below, and I will check you guys out in my next video. I love you so much. Mwah.